What up, gang? Boo Boo 617, and welcome back to the channel. So today's part 2 of installing the Maxton lip kits. If you haven't seen it already, the first video was the front lip. We are now moving on to the side skirts. So if you watched that first video, you should, so you can see the trial and errors. We're going to try to make this one a little bit easier because we're going to skip all that extra stuff. We're going to go straight to what we know. So let's get to it. So the first step is to make sure that we got the lip on, the side skirt on the right side. So this is gonna be the left side, and we gotta, I already checked it to make sure that is the right fitment for this vehicle. We're gonna go something like this. Now, one thing that I don't like is the fact that this is gonna cover the light. The floodlight that comes on at night when you open the door and it lights up the floor. There's an option to cut it out, but we're not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna put it on, see how I like it, and if worse comes to worse, I'll put a hole in it and make sure that it's lit. So let's see where we at. First thing I'm checking is where can I screw anything in. Okay. So again, it's gonna be brand new holes. This does not have doesn't have anything lined up with the factory hardware. So it's gonna be another making holes. So here we go. If you remember the first video, what we did, we used a regular screw with a washer. That's exactly what we're gonna do. We're not gonna waste time. We're just gonna put these on. And because we're doing this job by ourselves, we're gonna use the help of the H&R box with a little toolbox on top of it to center it out and help us keep everything leveled. All right. So what I'm doing, I'm being guided by this hole, this light hole, because this has an indentation right here, which kind of matches where it should go. So that's the front. Let me just make sure that the back is correct. We'll take off this stripping. We kind of got everything lined up already. Looking perfect. All right, guys, so I put 2 screws, one on the front, one on the back. Now, let's remove this. So we can put one more in the middle to secure it down. And that's it. Just repeat the same thing for the other side, and the side skirts are done. And that's how you install backyard side skirts. Next video is going to be the little tail fins that goes on the back, on the bottom of the back bumper.
You want.
Shouldn't be too hard. I'll keep you guys updated on this if I end up drilling a hole on these or not. But they look phenomenal. Take a look. Boo Boo 617, we out.